Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play games on your PSP. First, ensure your device is charged and ready. To begin, simply slide the power switch located on the right side of the console upwards. Once powered on, you can insert a UMD game disc into the slot on the back until it securely clicks into place. Then, use the directional pad to navigate the XMB menu, select your game, and press the X button to start playing. Beyond physical discs, your PSP supports digital games. You could download these titles from the PlayStation Store, which were then saved directly onto a Memory Stick Duo or Pro Duo. To play, simply insert your memory stick into the slot on the left side of the console. Once inserted, navigate to the game column on the XMB menu, and your downloaded titles will appear, ready for you to select and enjoy. Understanding your PSP's controls is key to an immersive experience. The small analog stick is perfect for precise movement in three-dimensional environments. For menu navigation and two-dimensional games, the directional pad is your go-to. The iconic face buttons, X, circle, square, and triangle, execute various in-game actions. Finally, the L and R shoulder buttons typically handle camera adjustments or special abilities, giving you full command of your gameplay. To ensure your PSP lasts for years, proper care is essential. A fully charged battery typically provides between 4 and 6 hours of continuous gameplay, depending on the game and settings. Regularly updating your PSP's firmware helps maintain optimal performance and compatibility. Always clean the screen with a soft, dry cloth to prevent scratches. Lastly, storing your PSP in a protective case when not in use will shield it from dust and damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.